So this is the Cruising Ducks original group Facebook page that I'm so excited to share with you. This is where when you find a duck, you can take a picture of yourself with the duck or just the duck and go to this group and you can post pictures. I'll scroll down so you can see of yourself with the duck here. It's very exciting to see and read where you found your duck, what ship you were on, what cruise. You can also post pictures of the ducks you make, show people, give people ideas. These are just some of them that you can see on here on the Facebook page. To join this group, it's just a simple one question thing and then they will accept you in. See, as you can see here, there's some with tags people have made for Christmas, different ones here. I myself, when we go in January on the Mardi Gras, which is, I believe it's January 22nd, 21st or 22nd, that we are going, and I will be placing 100 ducks for people to find with tags, and I can't wait. I'm looking forward, hopefully, to see some of them at least on here. I know they say don't expect to see all your ducks on here, but to see some would be just wonderful. I love the fact that people take those ducks when they're on their cruises, take them on their excursions with them, and they place them around and take pictures of the duck having the time of his life. And that's always neat to see. So if you get a duck and want to do something like that, that's kind of special to see. So there you have it. That's the Cruising Ducks original group. There are other Cruising Duck pages. On my tags, I did put this group because people that are placing the ducks, they do go into the group they post and they'd like to see them on the page they're looking on. But there are other Cruising Duck pages as well. So have fun, happy duck hunting, and have fun if you are out there placing your ducks. I am so excited and can't wait to do mine. I just briefly wanted to show you too, in order to make your cards, some people make their own designs just with paper and markers or however you want to do it. But I do go to vistaprint.com. It's very cheap, easy to make. You can create your own design with so many different designs. You can just click on business cards in the vistaprint.com site. You go to create your card. This is just giving you a brief thing. So we are doing a cruise ship. So I'm going to type in cruise ship and show you what they have in here. So they have some cruise ships here, designs to pick from. I'm going to click on this one here just to give you an idea. You can change your color. Here you've got the green, the red, different colors here. So they've got no finish, gloss. They give you some prices here for 100. So let's say we're going to select this design, just showing you how easy this is to design. Now I want to add a duck to mine. So you can go up here to click on image, and then you can type in rubber duck. And here it gives you some rubber ducks to choose from. We're just going to choose this one. It will make it pretty large. We can make it smaller to your liking. It's however you want to do it, you know. So there you have that. Then you can change your words. You can change your font size. Here I already had typed in Cruising Ducks. You can change your font size by going to the little font size thing and make it bigger or smaller. You can change this layout. You can add text. There's more. You can add a QR code. Some people are putting QR codes on their cards and going from there, which is really neat. So you can do that once you have your card created. Like I said, this is just showing you briefly what to do. If you want to add a backside to your card, a full color backside, that would be like this here. There are some other backside designs that you can choose from. There's many to choose from. This would be the back of your card. So if you want a blank card, that's included. Grayscale with your black and white. It's add $7 for the 100 cards. Full color is $8. We're going to add the back side just to give you an idea. You can type in, I typed in cruise, but you can type in anything. You can put anything on this. Change, just by clicking on what you want to change. Type in what you'd like here. Change your font. You can even change your color. If you want a different color, you can make it darker, whatever color there is there. So then you can go down and you can preview what you've made. So that's the front side. There's your back side. We're going to review and purchase. You have to click on that you've reviewed and you approve your design. And then you hit next. And it's going to show you. You can turn it with the arrow by clicking just to see the front and back. And then they recommend the premium 16-point, high quality, easy customization, best for everyday use. It just gives you some different options here. Your matte finish is included. Your glossy is included. If you wanted to add a foil accent, I don't know if you can see that. It kind of gives you a little shine. But play around with it and see what you'd like. So we'll just stick with the glossy just to go with something that's included. You've got your rounded edges, your standard square edges. However, when I ordered mine, I did get a bigger deal than this. My rounded was included. Depending on when you go on, what you choose, what design you choose, your price could be a lot cheaper than this even. This just happens to be something I'm just using to show you. On here, it's $36 for 500. I'm not sure you want that many. Let's say you choose 100. That is $25. So there you have it. And then you just click your next. And it's going to give you some other options. You can choose to buy or not choose to buy. This has been added to the cart. I am going to remove it from my cart. But there you go. Get on board. Order your cards. This is a very easy site to use. Vistaprint.com in your search bar. And you can just use your imagination and create your own design. Have fun. Another thing you can do is you can go to Amazon and you can go to you can type in rubberducks in bulk, and they have plenty places to get your rubber ducks for your cruising ducks, and they have so many different designs as well, as you can see here, and there's all different prices. So you've got your choices here. You've got the plain rubber ducks. Some people get those and decorate them themselves. This looks like kangaroo rubber duck bath toys, 100 pack for $44. They offer all kinds of specials. So Amazon has many selections of different rubber ducks. I mean, you have your Halloween ones. We plan on doing something like that when we go on a Halloween cruise. So they've got your Christmas collection. Some are more expensive than others. Some you get less than others. But definitely a good buy when you want to buy in bulk. If you just want to buy a few and you're only going to put a few out on your cruise to try it out, you can get smaller packs. You can get, these are the rubber pigs, but they do have like the rubber ducks here. This is a set of 50, just the plain ones for 17. But do your research because there are different, as you can see here, there's different prices for different things. So, but you got, those that like your Batman. Now this is a $12, $12.99 for one duck, but that's Batman. Some people go and they put out a couple big ducks. They just want to go to the extreme and do that. But there's so many different ones. You've got ducks that actually make noises and squeak. You've got some that don't make any noise. You've got your Christmas ducks here. Looks like some Disney ducks. So you have a very big selection on Amazon, and that is where I order my ducks from. And again, they do come fairly quickly, depending on the time of year. even with the holiday season, if, our cruise is coming up in January, and that is something that we ordered in advance so that they do come on time. So check that out, and you can get your cruising ducks there. Of course, you can also check like the Dollar Tree stores and stuff like that as well, but not sure what you're getting there or how many if they're small bags. So most people are looking for something in bulk. Okay, and have fun duck hunting.